Hello everyone, I am Zinkal Patel from Rafael BCA College. In network technology, today I am going to cover a new topic, that is Introduction to Wireless Network. Now, in our syllabus, that is topic number 1.10, Introduction to Wireless Network, Ad hoc Network and Sensor Wireless Network. But today I am going to cover only Introduction to Wireless Network. Now, first of all, what is wireless network? Computer network that are not connected by cables are called wireless network. They generally used radio wave for communication between the network nodes. They allow different devices to be connected to the network while roaming around within the network coverage. So, a wireless network enables people to communicate and access application or information without wire, right? Wired network matlab we can use coaxial cable, fiber optic cable to connect different devices like laptop, mobile. That network is called as wired network. But in wireless network, devices are connected without wire. So, these provide freedom of movement and the ability to extend application to different part of the building, city or nearly whenever in the world, right? So, wireless network allow people to interact with email, or we can browse the internet from the location that we prefer, right? Now, in wireless network, access point amplify Wi-Fi signals. Here in diagram, access point is displayed. So a device can be far from a router but still be connected to the network. So here I displayed some devices like personal computer, laptop, printer, camera, mobile, etc. When you connect to a Wi-Fi hotspot at a cafe, a hotel, an airport or other public place, you are connecting to that wireless network. Now there are different types of wireless network. We already learned LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, that is wired network, but here I mention some wireless network. Now first of all, wireless local area network, WLAN. The WLAN allow user in local area such as a university campus or a library. A temporary network can be formed. So here a temporary network can be formed by a small number of users, right? Because it is LAN, and this is done without a need of access point. So given that they do not need to access network resources, right? Next one is wireless personal area network, that is WPAN. Now the two current technologies for wireless personal area network are infrared and ब्लूटूथ, राइट? दो पर्सनल डिवाइस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए या तो हम इंफ्रारेड से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं या तो ब्लूटूथ से. This will allow connectivity of personal devices within an area of about 30 feet. However, infrared require a direct line of sight and the range is less. Like for example, infrared का example है remote control, right? So उसकी range जो है वो small होगी. So Bluetooth and infrared are example of wireless personal area network. Now next one is wireless metropolitan area network, that is WMAN. Now this technology allow the connection of multiple network in a metropolitan area such as a different building in a city, right? That is MAN. Now next one is WWAN, that is wireless wide area network. This type of network maintain over a large area such as it can be in city or country and via multiple satellite system, right? Different antennas looked after by an internet service provider. So this type of systems are referred to as second generation system. Wireless wide area network, understood? Clear? Types of wireless network. Now Next one is benefits of wireless network. Now first benefit is convenience. Access your network resources from any locations within your wireless network's coverage area or from any Wi-Fi. So that is convenient for all the users, right? Second one is mobility. Using Wi-Fi, you are not tied to your desktop as you are with a wired connection, right? For example, you and your employee can go online in conference from anywhere. That is mobility. Now next one is productivity. Wireless access to the internet and to your company's key application and resources help your staff get the job done and encourage collaboration, right? Using wireless network, your employee can access your key applications and resources from anywhere, and it help your staff to get job done, right? So that is productivity. Now next one is easy setup. So in wireless network you don't have to stick cables, so installation can be quick and cost effective. Next one is expandability. You can easily expand wireless network with existing equipment, right? आपको कोई extra equipment की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Whereas a wire network might require additional wiring. You need additional wire in wire network, right? But in wireless network, no need to bring extra equipment or wired. Next one is security. Advances in wireless network provide robust security protection as compared to wired network. And the last one is reduced cost, because wireless network eliminate or reduce wiring expenses, right? So they can cost less to operate than wired network, right? So those are the benefits of wireless network, right? Hope you understand this topic, wireless network. Now two types of that wireless network: ad hoc wireless network and sensor wireless network, that can be explained in next video, right? Hope you understand today again. Fine, thank you.